1.11. It says the rechargeable flashlight battery is capable of delivering 90 milliamps for about 12 hours. So how many charge can it release at that rate? And if its terminal voltage is 1.5 V volts, how much energy can the battery deliver? Okay, so this question is testing us on a few concepts. So we know that charge QT, decharge dt, gives us a current, right? And okay, and then I of t times volts gives us power, and then volts is equals to the amount of joules that they have per coulomb, right? The amount of energy per coulomb. Okay, so in this way, if it's V times I, then it's J over C times C over T. Cancels out. It would just be J over T, right? Joules over time, and joule is a form a unit of energy. So this gives us power. Okay, so first of all, how much charge? So we can figure that out. It's just be 90 milliamps times 12 hours. So 12 hours is there's 300. What? There's 60 minutes and there's 60 seconds within a minute, right? And this is how much charge there is. Because if we say, okay, I of t times dt equals q of t, right? We take the integral equals q of t times 1 times 2. This is just finding the area on the graph, which is exactly what's over here, right? So this is like 90 MP because it's constant supports, and then the time is 12 hours, which it will convert into seconds, and it's just the area over here. That's why we're doing all these multiplications. And it should gives you, let's see, type in a calculator, times 10 to the power negative 3 times 12 times 3,600 gives us 3888, right, coulombs. That's also how much charge will release at that rate. And if it's 1.5, well then it would just be 1.5 times the charge, right? Because this is joules per coulomb, right? We don't have to use the current times V and then times T, right? We already have what C is, right? It's over here. So it's this 1.5 V times 3888 coulombs, which, you know, we can also do the unit, right? It's homogeneous, gives us J, which is energy, or it shouldn't be capitalized. So 1.5 V times this number, and it gives us 5,832 volts. I mean, sorry, joules. And that is how much energy the battery can deliver. That's a pretty, that's a decent amount of energy, I'll say. So yeah, remember these relationships, right? As the course goes on, you should be very, very fluent in these things, right? What is V? Joules per coulomb. What is I? What is the current? Coulombs per seconds, right? V times I give us power. Power times time give us energy, right? So yeah, hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in my future videos. Bye.